Memory seems like a simple process. We experience something, and we remember it. But what's actually happening inside our brains? At its core, memory begins with attention. If we don't focus on information, the brain simply won't store it. Once we've paid attention, the brain takes over, encoding the information, storing it for later, and retrieving it when needed. This isn't a single action, but a complex dance between different systems. Short-term memory holds details for a brief moment, like a phone number you've just heard, while long-term memory can preserve information for years, even a lifetime. But from the perspective of neuroscience, the real breakthrough comes from understanding how different brain regions collaborate. So, what's happening? The hippocampus acts like a sorting hub, taking in new information and deciding whether it's important enough for long-term storage. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, tags memories with feelings. This is why memories tied to strong emotions, joy, fear, or surprise, are often the most vivid and lasting. The prefrontal cortex then helps us retrieve these memories, bringing them back into our conscious awareness. This intricate process explains why some memories stick while others fade. The brain is constantly filtering what it considers important. Repetition plays a crucial role. Each time you review information, you strengthen the neural connections associated with it, making the memory more stable. Sleep is also essential, as it's during rest that the brain organizes and consolidates what we've learned throughout the day, transferring important details from the hippocampus to other parts of the cortex for permanent storage. Over time, our memories aren't static recordings but can change slightly. Each time we recall an event, the brain reconstructs it, sometimes incorporating new information or feelings. This is why our recollection of a past event can feel different years later. Because memory is so deeply connected to our senses and experiences, simple cues can trigger powerful recall. A specific smell, a familiar sound, or returning to an old neighborhood can unlock a flood of memories, setting the scene for us to relive moments from our past.